Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I am your friendly Avon representative, and we're going to do a makeup tutorial this morning as we're getting ready for a day packed with Zoom calls. So I hope you're all doing great, and we're going to chat a little bit about success even in the struggle, because I think that this is a topic that we have spent so much time thinking about the things that we've lost, and we forgot to take a minute and think about the things that we've gained even during the struggle that we're in. So we're going to chat about that. Good morning. Hi Lena. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some makeup. I've already done my skincare regimen. I'm going to be using my Ink Lasting Primer, and this is just the basic formula, which I still love. It doesn't have the glow to it, but it has some amazing properties that helps to prime your skin and get it ready for Zoom calls, because that's the only place I'm going. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my skin and on my eyes. All right. So what are some things, Amanda, that you have found that you've done well during your quarantine or isolation? Anything that you've done that you're like, wow, we accomplished that, and I didn't even think we could do it. I'm excited to talk about that, because I think if we focus on the negative, we're going to use Cashmere Complexion this morning, and I am mixing my shades Cannoli and Custard because I'm getting a little bit of sun. See, that's a success, right? So I'm just taking it and putting a little bit on my hand here. And then I'm going to do the same with my custard, and I'm going to blend it. The cool thing about these Cashmere Complexions is you can blend the colors to get the perfect shade that you want. And I love that about this. Okay. Or you can just go back and color match again, which I need to do. Okay. So then I'm just going to use my Beauty Blender and blend it in to the windows, to the walls. Got to get the Zoom calls. That is no doubt. We have a training in 30 minutes over the new digital tools, which I'm super excited to share with you guys. And then a leader call, and then a one-on-one call, and then I've got all the, and then, but it's exciting because our Avon team has been able to accomplish something in these last 2 weeks that I didn't even know was possible. I mean, truly stretching me as a leader and stretching my team and what they thought was possible has helped us accomplish a huge goal. And I think that just kind of, it first gives credit to the American spirit, right? And how we don't let anything hold us back. We keep going no matter what. And Cashmere Complexion in Tarte for my concealer. Excuse my kid screaming in the background. His YouTube is probably not working. I'm going in a downward motion. That does not sound good. Not sure what's going on there. Just hope that they're not killing each other. That's usually my first goal. So my kids haven't killed each other in our 2 weeks. We're going to use Tattoo Station in Brown Black, and we're going to work on these brows for just a second. So anyway, we set a goal that was a stretch goal for us, and we hit it and actually surpassed it. And so just that feeling of maybe making a goal to clean out your house or to clean out your cabinets, organize your makeup. I had to get a closer mirror. I can't use my phone for a mirror on my brows. Maybe that you've been able to homeschool your kids and you didn't know that that was even possible. There's so many things that we've learned about ourselves during this quarantine that you probably didn't know about yourself before. And so I think it's important for us to take a second and just celebrate. Hey, we did this. We are rocking it and we're okay. We've all survived. No one in my house has died yet. Just a huge deal. Okay, I'm going to use my ring finger here and just pat that in and bring a little bit of color. And if you've lost loved ones, I need to say this. If you've lost loved ones or have ill friends and family due to COVID, my thoughts are with you. And I'm not trying to make light of that because I know it's a very serious thing. So please don't think that I am. And I know I have lots of friends from all over the U.S. and all over the world that get ready with us. And so I'm not making light of that situation. I'm using my Magic's Dust. It's here. It's live now on Jennifer's Jewels. Your avon.com/jwoolsey. If you're looking for a great setting powder, this is your powder. It has the prettiest, finest powder you've ever seen. And it just helps to give you that matte look, especially when I'm going live on Zoom and I have my lights on me. It seems like it makes my face shine. Like the oil or my T-zone tends to stand out. I don't get it. Okay, Mono Pop. We are going to use some Mono Pop. And we are picking up this shade and this shade. Because we want a little bit of extra color on our skin. So that when people see us on camera, they're like, oh, hey, that girl is awake. She is here. She has showed up. Part of the joys of doing Zoom calls in the beauty business. It doesn't matter if you have pants on, but do you have a little bit of makeup on? Okay, we're going to go in now and pick up this darker shade right here and work that crease. Just going to bring it in. I'm just taking that angled brush and I'm just working that crease. Not going all the way over because I'm going to use my blending color to do that. That is such a rich, pretty color. And I know I've told you guys this 100 times about the Mono Pop. My favorite thing about this palette is that it is so well pigmented. It just takes a dab and it gives such a beautiful look. So you can kind of see I've almost done like a V shape on my crease and then down to the bottom of my lid. So I'm going to pick up this color on the bottom. And that is going to be my blending color. And I'm going to bring it all the way over and blend it into that color. This gives you a 3D type look on your eyes. It's going to give them a little bit more definition. And especially if you ever get to go out again with your loved one, or, I mean, I may just put some makeup on just to go to the park. I mean, who knows? You're going to have little tools in your tool chest. I'm going back to my always on point eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I love a good liquid liner, don't get me wrong, but this one just goes on so smoothly. And I love the way it gives me a little bit of a deeper definition. Good morning, Rebecca. How is it in the nursing world? Hope that you guys are doing well. And shout out to all my nursing friends. I know that we have a lot that get ready with us. Our first responders, our nurses, our doctors. Wow. You guys have become like modern day soldiers. And I'm so thankful to say that I know you and that I love you. And know that our family is praying for you every day. Okay, we're just going to bring that over. Yes. Yes, a girl is going to show up on Zoom and be awake today. Okay, let's curl these lashes. Do you guys curl your lashes? There we go. Curling the lashes. And we're bringing out the secret weapon. Love mascara. I love it. It has the vitamin E oil. It has the little heart-shaped fibers. It has all the fun things that just make my eyelashes pop. So how is homeschooling going for you guys? Are you homeschooling your kids? Is your state pretty strict about the grades? I don't know that our state is really that strict about the grades. They are just trying to keep us going so that when the kids go back to school in August, they will go back to school in August. I'm just saying. They're not behind. And they, you know, they don't lose all the things that they've learned during the school year. So we've tried to focus and do in our homeschool. Moisture Cushion Blush in Coral. You guys know this is my favorite color. Little here. Little there. What do you think? Let's finish off with, let's see, I have my pink lips on today. We're going to do the Glimmer Kiss in, helps if you have your glasses on, Jen, Violet Sapphire. It's going to be a little pink. A little pink for us today. Might be a little too pink. We may have to tone that down just a little bit, but it's pretty. I mean, I'm going to be on Facebook Live, so I'm going to add a little bit of Respect in the Mattitude. And tone it down just a little bit. Blend and finished. Yay! Ready for 9 million Zoom calls to get my day going. So I hope that you guys have found some ways to celebrate successes, new skills that you've learned. Maybe you've become a better cook. Maybe your house is completely spring cleaned. You've learned how to homeschool your kids, and things are just moving in a different direction for your family. So stop for a minute and think about the new skills that you've picked up during this struggle and celebrate those. Let's not focus on the things that are bad in the world, but focus on the things that are good. We're going to be back to normal soon, and you're going to need some of these beautiful makeup products. So you can shop for them on your avon.com/jwoolsey, and that's WOLSEY. But if you need a color match for your foundation, message me and I will hook you up. Thanks for getting ready. Share this video. Somebody else may like these makeup tips. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.